We know the importance of a comprehensive proactive plan aimed at identifying and repairing minor issues long before they have the chance to become major ones. Flat roof maintenance is generally focused on the removal of water and snow that accumulates due to poor drainage or bad installation techniques. It is best to get this accumulation within the first 48 hours if possible. This prevents the worst from occurring and gives us a chance to repair any minor issues we find before the next rain or snowfall. We recommend a biannual maintenance schedule to all of our clients. It's also a good idea to call us after any major storm to be sure that nothing has taken place. Special attention is paid to your flashings since almost 90% of leaks in flat roofs begin there. Anything we find will be reported to you in detail, along with our recommended repairs. Our technicians will also keep a sharp eye out for blisters or creases that may not be an issue now, but could blossom into a problem leak or worse.